morning. It's Monday? Yeah, it's Monday now. It's Logan. Logan got up a little earlier than usual at Mimi and Gramps' house. And it got so cold last night. Like, first day of winter said, okay. And so now, yeah, boof. So now we're trying to warm up a little bit. My parents have these awesome, you know, have gas heat. I don't think I said my parents' house is it's built in 1911, so they had a centennial celebration a couple of years ago, and it's a really awesome house. We moved here when I was in the 4th grade, I think, so. Their tree's so pretty, and so big. Because these are tall ceilings, so I guess it's a 10-foot tree. Really pretty. So, I'm just enjoying this morning with the fire and the trees and my little boy.
Mimi.
I think Mimi's still asleep.
Me books.
Yeah, Mimi brought some baby books home for us to look at. My mom's a librarian, so she brought home some baby name books. We've been looking through those, that's fun. I could have said that. It's gonna be very shaky. Is that good lunch? You sleepy? Logan was up late and up early. Late last night, early this morning, so he's tired. He's gonna get an early nap. This is Mama's orange slice cake. The recipe was Mama's grandmother's. We make it every year at Christmas together. Well, not always together, but generally. And it's so good. Orange slices, dates, coconuts, walnuts. Coconut. Did I say coconut?
Mm-hmm. You said coconuts.
Coconuts.
So they're plural.
We got more over here.
Go.
Is it good?
Go.
Need any bananas? My dad volunteers at the local food bank and they got a truck load of bananas in. Bananas for days! Yep, could have brought home 3 times or more that many. And I'm making more Thin Mints! Yummy! Logan and Mimi are both napping. My dad's taking my dog for a walk. And she's acting a fool. I just spotted a secret out in my dad's truck. That's more bananas. What are we gonna do? And then, there are these bananas over here from the same thing, just an earlier batch that I'm about to peel and put in gallon baggies to freeze for smoothies. Hopefully I can sneak some of these away to our house. I'm not sure how they would fare a 3-hour travel, even if frozen, but I'm gonna try. Here's my little man. So cute. Gramps can't stop decorating. He's putting Christmas lights on the playhouse. Are you having fun? Are you having fun in here? What is in here? Is that a tractor? Is that a tractor, buddy? Can you sit on the seat?
How?
Can you help?
Yes.
Okay. Look at it go. Unfortunately, it's too muddy to get it out and let him drive around the yard. It rained and rained and rained. That's Gramps, yeah. This cute little playhouse thing was built for my nephew. It's his Make-A-Wish from the Make-A-Wish Foundation. He wished for John Deere tractors, and they made him a barn and gave him tractors and everything. Ride the tractor! And it wasn't their backyard, but they moved and couldn't take it with them. They brought it to my parents' house. So everybody gets to play with it. You want to ride the tractor?
Yes.
Okay. Is that fun? Is it fun, buddy? Roxy. We are headed to the library to take some yummy goodies to the ladies working today. A little assortment of the things we've made. And then we're gonna go get those last minute groceries that you have every year. So, and Logan is with my dad doing who knows what, and I don't care. Is it good?
Very good. Thank you. I like the undivided, well, it's undivided good. Uh-oh.
It's 9:30 and we're working on a surprise. Earlier, we always fill Christmas tins with different goodies. And earlier I asked my dad, what does he like in the tins? And without skipping a beat, he said, fudge. Well, we don't really make fudge. But today I came across this recipe of my grandmother's, who passed away almost 3 years ago. And it's in her handwriting and everything. It's my dad's mom. And it's foolproof fudge. And my mom and I read the recipe, and we couldn't believe how easy it was. So he's upstairs and we are making some fudge to surprise him in the morning. So I'm really excited about it. It's in her handwriting and everything, so it's pretty special.